Software installation. Installation instructions for GenTest 3.0 software, including setup of the temperature controller for furnace or climatic chamber control and configuration of the DTC 500 for hardware setup, calibration, and PID tuning. Open the setup file and begin installing the GenTest software. Choose your preferred language and finish the initial setup. How to obtain a license and activate the software. Copy the serial number and hardware ID, then send them to NextGen to receive your license. Click Use Trial Version to run the software in trial mode. Click Update License to activate using your license key. Click Verify License to select and confirm your license for activation. Workspace Setup. How to change the workspace path. The workspace stores all tests, methods, and report templates. Set the workspace to a secure and convenient path before setup or testing. Machine connection. How to connect the computer to the machine. The controller communicates with the computer via Ethernet. Default IP address 192.168.1.150. Set your computer IP within the same range. Safety shield. How to set the safety shield. Follow the instructions to connect and configure the safety shield before machine operation. LED strip setup. How to install and set up the LED strip. The LED strip connects to the PC via a serial to USB cable. First, install the USB driver, included with main unit. Connect the USB cable to the computer's USB port. Attach the other end to the LED strip. Right-click this PC. Select Manage. Open Device Manager. Verify that both port numbers match. User Management. User Management Overview. Use User Management to add, edit, or remove accounts and manage access rights. Once you have created your username and password, you may log out and then log back in to access and operate your account. Under the Security tab, you can add as many users as needed based on operational requirements and assign each user the appropriate level of administrative rights according to their role. Demo mode. How to run in demo mode. Go to the Software tab under Preferences and check Demo mode. Then press the Home icon in the top left corner. Restart the program to enable the demo mode to simulate tests without connecting to the machine. Press Test. Then, press Create a new method. Next, select any example method, such as ASTM E8 flat with auto extensometer. Then, press OK. Go to the Method tab and select the desired test simulation file. Finally, open the Test tab and click Run to simulate the test. You may also use a test file as a demonstration file. Click the 3 lines. Then select Generate Test Simulation File. Click Save, and then click OK. Go to the Method tab, select the specific test simulation file you created, and press Open. Control Panel. How to set the control panel. Open Control Panel settings and adjust as needed for your system. Click the UTM icon located at the top right corner. Review the parameters displayed in the control panel navigation. Click the settings icon found at the top of the navigation panel. Move available groups into the Selected Groups section and then click Close. Running a test. How to perform a test. Tests can be run in several ways. Please select the one that works best for you. To run a quick test, select the Test tab. Choose Quick Test and press OK. Adjust the required parameters in the Quick Test Setup control panel. And press Run. Create a new method based on normal template. Select the Test tab. Press the Create a New Method option. Select your preferred test method, for example tension method, and press OK. Go to the Method tab. You will see a number of method subtabs. Select the Test Control subtab. Check Step 2, Step 3, and Step 4 to open additional test control configurations. Save the changes as needed. Create a new method based on expert template. Select the Test tab. Press the Create a New Method option. Choose the Tension Expert method and press OK. Go to the Method tab and open the Test Control subtab. Add and configure your required steps. Save the changes as needed. Select the Test tab, press the Create a New Method option. Select your preferred example method, such as the ASTM E8 method from earlier, and press OK. Go to the Method tab and configure your test according to your technical requirements. Run a test from history methods. Select the Test tab. Choose the Browse option to open your preferred file from history methods. Select the file, press Open, and then press OK. Go to the Method tab and configure your test according to your technical requirements. Run a test from History Tests. Select the Test tab. Choose the Browse Test option to open your preferred file from History Tests. Select the file, press Open, and then press OK. Go to the Method tab and configure your test according to your technical requirements. Run Test.